Grand Rising everyone! Today we are going to learn to cook some healthy and tasty Thai Basil Chicken. Join in! Boneless chicken, brown sugar, chicken broth, onion, olive oil as my vegetable oil for cooking, soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce. Topped up with rice stick noodles and even basmati rice can be added. We begin by preparing the chicken broth with 2 chicken cubes in water. Flame on, olive oil in, and I add sliced onions, chilies and garlic, Thai chilies and garlic to the sizzling oil. Very important to make sure we fry it nicely. Fry it till it's nice and golden and you can smell the delicious flavor. And now we will add our chicken pieces, medium cut size chicken pieces. Throw in all those chopped up, amazing, marvelous, medium chicken sized pieces and stir fry it with the onions, Thai chili and garlic. As you can hear and feel the sizzling deliciousness of our chicken, now we will add our 1 tablespoon of the wonderful mixture of the fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce and chicken broth. And we add the rest of our amazing mixture. And as you see, since we used soy sauce, we don't even need to use extra salt. And now we chop our basil leaves and add our fresh basil leaves to our chicken. And for the final move, I have used rice stick noodles. You can even use basmati rice, and we top it up beautifully. Don't forget to be generous with the broth.